YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're gonna go over troubleshooting what caused this LG. This one's the cold water inlet valve that went bad on me and caused leaking. As you can see, the rust around this area and then the top portion right here. So we're just gonna open this up real quick and then inspect it. Okay, before you might want to wear a glove because the rust, once the rust, if you cut your finger and rust get into your blood, you're gonna cause lots of infection and then might cause big problem. Okay, so I'm trying to open all those screws right there. So you can't really see much. So I guess this one is to push this parts right here in and out. So this is the rubber parts. Sometimes you can just replace these parts right here. It feels kind of sticky. So this rubber part is worn out. See, like when I press hard, it's stuck to my finger skin. Yeah, I can feel the stickiness. So that will cause a leak. So unfortunately, you cannot open the top, so you cannot really see anything. So yeah, this one's you cannot replace this. Well, unless you could just buy the parts like this, just this one. But still, you need to replace this one. So it's better to buy the whole parts at a, to replace everything at once, so you don't get either this one or the other one fail on you. So I'm just going to take apart the whole thing and then inspect those two rubber seal, see if it's sticky like this. All right, so the 2 that goes toward the connector of the cold water, it is different. Oh, so it is the same. Because this one got stuck. Okay. So inside there is like a spring. It is so it's spring loaded. That's why it allowed this rod to move up and down. So I guess it allows you to open and then close. So allow the water to flow. So it is still sticky, but somehow this side is not leaking. So you never know. Maybe you could reuse these parts in case my new one goes bad. I want to keep this 2 just in case. And let's see if we could try to pry this open. Oh yeah, somehow this one's all rusted. Okay. So I think this one is still, you could still reuse it. If you clean this up with like baking soda. Probably one of these electromagnetic is fail. But this plastic piece, it seems like it's still good, so. It looks like inside is rusted too, so maybe it's not a good idea to save this one then. It's kind of rough. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.